Good evening, Ma'am Marian. This is my project, bulk inventory system. This package, this lines declares that the class belongs to the bulk inventory system package, which helps organize related classes. This imports javabox that swings that stress semicolon import java that awt that semicolon. This imports brings in necessary classes for creating a GUI like GFrame, GLevel, GTextField, GButton, handling SQL, connections, and lagging errors. This class is this lines the bulk inventory system class, which contains the main functionality of the application. This constructor initializes the GUI components and set up the application window. This is a new window frame is created with the title Bulk Inventory System. This for each book attributes title, page, author, publish, a label, and a corresponding text field are created and added to the frame. This process is repeated to the page text field. This process repeated for the page, author, and publish. This GButton BTN. A button labeled Submit is created and added to the frame. This an action listener is added to the button, which defines what happens when the button is clicked. This when the button is clicked, the text entered in the text field is retrieved and restored in variables. String query is an SQL query is defined to insert the book details into the TBL Marian. This is by table name, and this is ang kini kay mao ni ang answered sa ako ang table. Oh my goodness. Class.forName is the driver loaded and a connection to the database is stabilized using the specific URL, username, and password. Kini siya, mo ni siya ang kwaon anhimam kini dire. Kani siya properties, then dire driver class, para makonect siya sa database. Then, ang isa, kine is my name sa database. Dili Japon siya sa URL. Mo ni siya ang URL. Then, mo ni ang katong class. Kini siya prepared statement and created to safely execute the SQL query with the user input. The values are set and the query is executed to insert the data into the database. This G option is a new dialog is shown to inform the user of successful data insertion, and the text fields are cleared for new input. Copy. This catch is if an error occurs during database connection of query execution, it is caught and logged. For example, kini siya diri na ani siya error pinduton to ni niya katong with try catch same ra siya pon siya aning connection diri pinduton na to ni mo tong kuan. The frame is centered on the screen given as 400 pixels set to close on exit. This arranged in a grid layout and made visible. Kita. This main method is the main method and is the entry point of the application, which creates an instance of book inventory system, triggering the constructor and displaying the GUI. Sample output. My goodness.
May kontra. May soji ka so 75.
Monkey.
Kamu to sa ito niya. Mo ta na ko.
Page. Author. Publish. Success. Okay. Monkey. Nabalo. This is my page, title, author, publish. This is the output. Yeah. Title Monkey, page 12, author Marian, and publish 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all. Thank you.